I'm going to show you how can you react to a song using Airbuds mobile app. So let's get started. Open the app, and next step is click on this profile icon in the corner. Then simply tap and hold and react to the song and react to this and react to this song option will pop up here. Click on it. And here you can choose some reaction. All right. And that's it. This is how can you do it. I'm going to show you one more time. So after you open the app, click on this profile picture. Next, tap and hold. And the next step is react to the song. That's it. This is how can you do it. Guys, thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, leave a comment or like. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel and see you later. Bye bye.